Hello! In this video, we're going to talk about the supply of electricity. In the previous video, we have discussed the demands. So, the electricity generators need to match these demands to make sure that we have a constant supply of electricity. You should note that power stations can't just start up instantly. The startup time depends on the type of power station. This figure clarifies the difference of the startup time between different types of power stations. And this startup time difference is due to the differences in the complexity of the electricity generating processes. For example, the power station that depends on natural gas has the shortest startup time, and this is because the natural gas combined cycle systems involve both a steam turbine and a combustion turbine. What are these turbines? The combustion turbines use a combusted fuel-air mixture to spin a turbine, which is relatively fast to start up. However, the steam turbines often require more time, where the fuel heats up water to form steam, and that steam needs to reach certain temperature, pressure, and moisture content thresholds before it can be directed to a turbine that can spin the electricity generator. And that, depending on nuclear resources, has the longest startup time. And this is because the nuclear power plants use steam turbines, but these plants have additional time-intensive processes that involve managing their nuclear fuel. The oil and coal power stations have middle startup times as compared to the natural gas and nuclear power stations. Noting that the oil power station has shortest startup time as compared to the coal power station, and this is because the oil power station depends on the combustion turbines, which have relatively fast startup time as compared to the coal power stations that depend on the steam turbines that often require more time. This means that these power stations can't just start up within a flick. That's all. Thanks for watching.